In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cash App Pay in your Stripe account. We'll be walking through the process directly inside the Stripe dashboard. And the good news is that it's a very quick setup. If you already have access to your Stripe account, you can usually turn this on in just a couple of minutes. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're on the home page of the account where you want to enable this payment method. It's important to confirm you're in the correct account or environment before making changes, especially if you manage more than one Stripe workspace or if you switch between test and live settings. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account level configuration options, including payment preferences and checkout related features. After the settings area opens, find and click Payments. This section controls how your business accepts money through Stripe, so it's where you'll manage available payment methods and payment experiences. Inside the payment section, select payment methods. This page lists the different types of payment options that can be offered through your Stripe account. Depending on your region or account setup, you may see a variety of methods here, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Next, scroll down until you see Cash App Pay. Since Stripe supports multiple payment methods, this option may not appear right at the top, so just continue scrolling until you find it. Going slowly here can help you avoid skipping past it. When you see Cash App Pay, click Enable. That's the step that activates the payment method in your Stripe account. Once enabled, Stripe may update the status immediately, and in some cases you may see a confirmation or a visual indicator showing that the method is now active. And that's it. Cash App Pay is now enabled in your Stripe account. As a quick tip, after turning it on, it's a good idea to review where your payment methods appear, especially if you use Stripe checkout, payment links, or a custom integration. That helps you confirm the payment option is available where you expect your customers to see it. If you're working in a test environment, you may also want to double check the live account separately later, since settings sometimes need to be confirmed in each environment. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to enable Cash App Pay in your Stripe account.